What if your phone could understand your habits just a little better, like switching between settings and notifications without making you swipe from the exact right spot? That's exactly what Huawei is doing with its latest update for the Nova 14 Pro and Nova 14 Ultra. These phones are getting a smart upgrade with HarmonyOS version 5.0.1.130. And one feature in particular is catching everyone's attention: a new control center swipe gesture. It's not even mentioned in the official changelog, but users are already testing it out and loving it. So, here's how it works. Usually, if you want to access your control center or notification panel, you have to swipe down from either the left or right side of the screen. It's been like that for years, and while it works, it's not always the smoothest experience, especially if you're holding your phone with one hand. Huawei's new update changes that by allowing you to swipe left or right at the top of the control center to switch between both panels. It sounds small, but once you try it, it's hard to go back. It makes things feel quicker, more natural, and honestly, more enjoyable. This feature brings a cleaner and smarter way to move around your phone. You don't have to aim for the right side of the screen anymore, which means less frustration and more convenience. Whether you're checking your notifications or turning on mobile data, Bluetooth, or airplane mode, everything's right where you want it to be, just a swipe away. Now, aside from this cool gesture trick, Huawei also packed in a bunch of other upgrades with this update. The camera has received some tweaks, so photo results should be better, especially in tricky situations like low light or fast movement. Huawei didn't get into the specifics, but early feedback suggests the improvements are noticeable. So if you love snapping pictures on your phone, this one's for you. They've also worked on sound quality. Whether you're listening to music, watching a movie, or just hearing your phone ring, the sound is now more refined. The audio playback feels clearer, and the overall listening experience is more pleasant even on the built-in speakers. Then we have the weather app and the smart assistant. These two have been improved as well to provide more accurate info and faster responses. It might not be something you notice immediately, but over time, having more reliable weather updates or a smarter assistant can really come in handy. There's also an upgrade to the face recognition system. It now performs better in more situations, making it easier and faster to unlock your phone, even if the lighting isn't perfect or you're at a different angle than usual. System stability has also been improved, which means fewer random crashes, smoother performance, and better battery usage. And for peace of mind, Huawei has added the June 2025 security patch, which means your phone will be better protected from potential security threats. The update is rolling out in stages, so not every Nova 14 Pro or Ultra user will see it right away, but it's coming. You can also go into your phone settings and manually check for updates if you're eager to try out the new features right now. So, whether you're a casual user or someone who's always looking for ways to make their phone more efficient, this new update brings practical upgrades that actually matter, especially that swipe gesture for the control center. It's simple, useful, and one of those things you'll quickly get used to. If this video helped you understand what's new on your Huawei Nova 14, give it a like. And if you want more straightforward updates like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next time, **.